I've had a lot of questions from people, and I have a feeling that the audience who's watching right now, you're probably good with doing pleats in a face mask, right? So my theme today is the face masks, in case you wondered. But the number two thing is how to make pleats. And I really want to share this with those of you who might not know how to do pleats or want an easy way of doing pleats. Or if you want to share it with somebody who's a brand new sewer who looks at a pattern and says, they want me to do pleats? How do I do that? I'm going to share with you a really easy way to do it. So let me bring over my ironing table right here. This is just a piece of plywood covered with some batting and some beautiful fabric. All right, so I don't have any ribbons or elastics on this, by the way, just because I just hurried and sewed this for the sake of wanting to show how to do pleats. All right, so are you ready for this? There's two ways I'm going to show you. The first way is what I call pinch and pleat or pinch and fold. So what I do, let's see if I can get this, it's going to be maybe a little bit backwards here, but all I do is I start with the middle and I just pinch it up. So I just pinch it up and I pull it over and I've got a pleat. Okay, so if you know somebody who's never done any sewing before and you want to show them, hey, this is the quickest, easiest way to do a pleat, share with them this video. You pinch it up and you fold it over, okay? And then you can place your pins in it on each side. That's it. That's as easy as it is. And then you go on this side up at the top. So I started in the middle and I'm going to pull it up. So pinch it up. So I pinch, pull down. One more time. Pinch, pull down. And I place a pin in it on both sides. Oops. There we go. And I would do one on the other side. Now I've got two pleats. So simple, right? Okay, now one more. I pinch it up and pull it over and then pin. So now I have three pleats. Okay, super easy. That is like the most straightforward way of doing it, my friends. Now, for those of you who also, again, share this video with someone who wants to know an easy way, I'm going to use a fork. Yep, that's what I'm talking about, folks, a fork. Here's another easy way to form a pleat. Place your fork into the side of your mask and then just pull it over like this. It just rolls right over top. So again, the fork, we're going to pull it in and pull it over. There we go. I've got pleat number one. Okay, again, this is so great for someone who's brand new to this. We're finding a lot of people who've never sewed before who want to help and make masks. This is how you can show them a really easy way to do it. Take another fork, take the fork again and do it again. I'm just pulling it through and I'm gonna turn it, and now I've created another pleat. Okay, so however long your mask is, you can keep doing it all the way down to create those pleats. And look at that. How simple was that, right? Fork method, my friends, it works genius. Genius. Do. All right, so there you go. Now, all you have to do is sew straight down. Straight down. How many do we have of those?
We'll have
Any questions?
We'll have 288.
Okay.
No limit.
No limit.
No limit.
Okay.
I'm gonna get mine now.
So, yeah. Well, actually, we're talking about elastic. We just got elastic in, my friends. So we're wondering if we should put a limit. Well, while we can't like put a limit necessarily on the item, let's just kindly ask that they take no more than 10.
10. Mm-hmm.
Does that sound good?
Mm-hmm.
Or
Perfect.
5? What would you say?
I think 10 would be
10? Okay. So we just got elastic in, and what Debbie was just asking me was, what do you think about putting a limit on it? We cut them into 5-yard increments. And so let me put this up here. 5-yard increments for $3. So what we're going to do is we just ask kindly that you limit yourself to no more than 10 of the packages, which would give you 50 yards of fabric. Sound good? Sound, because we have about 200 yards to do, 300 yards, I think. So we should be good. Okay. All right, or 300 packages, I should say, of 5 yards each. So 1,500. Anyway, you got it. Okay, so here's your pleats. All right, all you have to do is sew straight over top. So super easy. Again, those of you who are watching, I bet you already know this. This is easy peasy, but I hope that you will share it with somebody who might not know.